Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Schwartz, and my Apple computer just crashed. I am out of a computer, brand new. I have to send it back to Apple. I was either hacked or something happened, something went on. So we'll check that out. Awesome, eh? Just to tell you all, I'm on my son's computer. Son, I love you, man. Thanks for letting me the computer. This is the Surface to the left. Is it Thomas or Thomason? This is the crater just to the west of Archimedes. We're seeing blues, purples in the air, which I believe is the atmosphere being picked up, greenery, structures, and live activity UFOs. There's lots I found out about the UFOs that we'll see in great detail. Now, look at this photo to the right, Archimedes there. It's getting more and more real, right? Because we're seeing pictures and proof of one thing, and I'm trying to show you that not only is there color on the surface of the moon, um, there could be possibly an atmosphere. We're finding structures. I have the proof of that, and activity all over the surface, and especially here around Archimedes crater. There's a lot of forest area going all the way more west here, just about 200 to 300 miles, and upwards towards Plato Crater, a very dark green forest. We're finding more and more on the surface. Thanks for stopping by. If ever I go down, guys, for a couple of days, it's because my computer crashed. I'm really upset with this. It's brand new, brand new, and I have to go to Apple, which is in Montreal. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys on this. So thanks to my son. I'll be using this computer. Looks like water, doesn't it? This really does look like water. So I got rid of the purple. There's still a bit of the purple at the back, but yeah, it looks more like a bluish color. And again, no color added here. And you're going to see in this video, I'm going to zoom out to a gray live footage playing and then zoom in and make it colorful to show you guys the color is there and natural. Water. Wow. Northwest of Archimedes, behind what looks like a wall, right, of ejecta. That would be very bright, and it would be deliberately placed for us to not be able to see that water to the left of it. And this is the first time in my life on this channel that I've mentioned actually believing that I see water now. And greenery. Archimedes crater at the bottom there. And now here is live footage. This is at the north side of the moon, guys. We could possibly be looking at green gas, and one of our community members have mentioned to me the greenery that we're seeing is not necessarily vegetation. Well, I think the ones that we're seeing is, but not this one. And to what you said, brother, look, there could be some kind of a haze or smoke, industrial smoke on the surface, and those are the brilliant objects at the north backside of the moon. Now look carefully on the bottom right side of Tycho crater. This is Tycho crater, and the evidence is there. I'm zooming up really close ridiculously to see if I can see any passerbys in the footage, just this same footage of the 24th, and there it is, going by Tycho crater at the bottom. A UFO again. Again, I don't have my real editor with me, and nor my computer. Look at all the UFOs going by Tycho crater, on the bottom of Tycho crater and below it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look closely. They're hard to see, but they're there. Okay? I'm not manipulating it, didn't even enhance it. You can see them going by right now on the bottom, one after the other. This is a split second, my friend. Slow down. There are thousands of UFOs on the surface of the moon. No bullshit. I got the proof right there.
Somebody asked me to look for some color, right? Well, that's what we're going to do. Wait till it starts. There's some here. Let's zoom in. Oh, color. Color, color, color. Let's zoom back out. Oh, look, it's gray again. Okay, here, nice gray shot. What do you think of that? You want to see some color? Do you think there's any colors anywhere on this moon? Let's go see it right now. Stop screwing around, Bruce, and start showing the people there's bloody color on that surface. There you go. There they are. Nice clearing, right? Blurry. Who gives a shit? It's green. And now I'm going to zoom back out. There you go. Gray. It's gray. But it's not. When you zoom in, there's color. Lots of it. Color. What do you think of that? Let's go see another shot. All right, Plato crater. Let's go see any color in Plato crater. Let's get that color, guys. Oh yeah, the good stuff. The green is on the surface. I'm showing the world that the moon is colorful.
Well, sorry. I'm sorry. I've let myself be taken away. But somebody did ask me, just zoom right into the gray footage, like pow, while one of your videos are playing to show us that some green will appear. And I just did. So there is, and there are signs of green on the surface of the moon. Laughter is a must, guys, in this. Laughter is a must, I promise. Archimedes crater. Inside the crater, look at the spectacular proof for the first time in the world ever seen. Inside of Archimedes crater, we could see under the cloud or haze, green surface, colorful surface. Look what's going around. UFOs by the hundreds, maybe the thousands. Look at the flashing lights. Look at the objects going through the clouds. You will even see what looks like an airport at one point. Keep watching. This is inside the Archimedes. There we go. To the right, look at the top right. What's going on? What are these objects? This object is damn big, guys. If we're looking at little UFOs, the airport was on the top right there. More sporadic lighting on the surface. And this is double close, as I was the last video, and double slowed down. So you know what that means? That means by slowing down my footage, the same footage, we see 6 times as many UFOs because it's going by too fast. It's in the clouds. The cameras aren't picking it up, nor are our eyes. Here's the proof. The blue light is the only thing I added. Now this is natural. Okay, guys, Archimedes crater, listen to me. Clouds, color on the surface, sporadic lights, vehicles, vessels unknown, some square, some round, some long. Lights just appear there on the bottom right in the middle. It's an airport. This object is either leaving or going over the moon or coming or arriving or it's, guys, this video is going to get around a lot more. Just with this little bit that I showed. Here's a blue light I put over the surface. So you're looking at the real surface with the blue light from heaven, like, that I put over the footage. See what we just saw on the bottom? Look at the detail that's coming out of this bloody footage. Look at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are hundreds of objects on the surface of the moon. The proof is there. And the longer we wait to find these things out, well, it's just the longer it's going to remain up there. I want to know what's going on. I'm allowed looking. I don't care if I don't know what's going on, but I am sure as hell that I'm going to see what's going on. There it is. This is a square object. Yes, it is. It looks square with another smaller object underneath. Is it the space station? Is it another vehicle? Is it a launch? Is it Elon Musk in his cubicle? I don't know. But seriously, are you seeing the surface that we're looking at? Guys, I don't have my video editor. Everything is shot here. The computer will be back up tomorrow AM. I promise. I'm going to the store late tonight. Look what we're looking at. We're looking at a phenomenon or an object over the surface of the moon. This was a space event, whether alien or human, and we just witnessed it. Here in X-ray. Yeah, that's right. We see it there. Guys, I did not get the mentions up to the contributors. It will only be for a day. Tomorrow they're back up. Here's filtering at the end here. And I missed this video editor. This is an old video editor. Guys, there's so much proof out there. I hope you enjoy this video. This is a touch, a glimpse of the beginning of what we're going to see in 218 on this channel. Thanks a lot.